Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This one's having her cereal. And I'm doing my morning routine where I just prepare everybody's breakfast, coffee.
Yeah.
Baby's gonna arrive soon.
Yeah.
Liz is leaving for work. So my friend just called and we are gonna go take a little walk with the girls outside. It's not too cold. I'm not looking forward to getting them all dressed though. We're at the supermarket and we're getting some goodies for the kids. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
It's my friend. He has a daycare too. Look how cool these are. They come out already made like that. All you have to do is put them on the trays and we're gonna add a little bit of Kanzi sparkles.
Hi.
The Valentine's cookies are done and the kids can't wait to have some. You can take two, okay? Oh, baby, is it good? Nom nom.
Hello.
Hello. This is my friend Annie, the one I'm always talking about, who comes for supper.
Parle-moi.
And she came with her kids, and we're gonna have some chicken, rice, and vegetables. It's gonna be good. Dinner is going to be served soon. And the kids just got in. They were playing outside. Yeah. Yeah, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You are. So today is a late morning. I have no baby, no toddler, no daycare kids. Like what? It's 9 o'clock. So usually by this time it's pretty much full house, but the baby's mom called and she's not coming in today. And I'm only gonna have the toddler, so apparently she's coming in a little bit late today. That's fine by me because I got my girls and we're just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna put something on TV for them. So the result that I was trying to achieve is something like this, like kind of like a abstract art, and it really didn't turn out the way I wanted at all. It's just kind of like a hot mess here. It is 1 o'clock and I am putting these little munchkins to bed. Pretty darn tired myself. Don't mind if I take a nap. That sounded so cheesy, right? They're tag teaming against Xavier. They're all noisy. This is me right now. On double duty. And she's not in a good mood. So I barely picked up the camera at all today. It's Friday. We are playing Barbies. Yay. And my cat is totally harassing me right now. Anyways, it's been a quiet day. And I have this man staring at me right now.
Yeah.
So I feel intimidated.
Huh?
Why are you always stalking me? Everywhere I go, you follow me. Why? Look at that paw going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The mommy of my baby.
She's baby carrying right now, and it was totally her idea. So good morning.
Good morning.
We are Saturday.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we didn't sleep much except her because Dia was just up all night because her nose was blocked. That is the worst when you have a baby that is breastfeeding and co-sleeping. A blocked nose. I think she's trying to give you some milk. Again, you? Uh-oh. The red dot that I can never catch. Uh-oh. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I am in shape for someone who hasn't slept last night, I will admit. Oh my god, I'm freaking out right now. Look, on the top of my head, it's all white. So we're at the IGA right now, and typically we stop at 4 places when we go shopping. First stop is IGA, and now we're gonna go to the Uniprix. Second stop, Uniprix. They had a good sale on diapers, so. Can you hear her snore? Little thing. We are at the Walmart. Last stop, guys. I am so tired of shopping. I just want to be home and watch movies. So, anyways, we're almost done. Me and Paula, we are alone. Of course you want that, of course. Okay. Alright, so let's finish this up and go buy a little boy's present for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a birthday party, so that's gonna be fun too. And that's it. She's doing the eyebrows, but it's her hat that's moving. Do it again. Do it again. Feliz aussi. So funny. We're back home. So we are gonna have our pastries. I shouldn't even call it pastry because this is almost art. It is so good. I'm not even kidding you. Plus, we have our Tim Horton coffee. So we have our treats. We're gonna watch movies. And this is gonna be a fun day. Eating. Hey? Oh, he's shooting you down. Saturday afternoon cuddles. We are watching The Water Horse. It's gonna be good. Shut up. Guys, it's Sunday and we are getting ready to go to a birthday party. What are you wearing? Your ET? So, yeah, we're getting ready. I'm just a little confused as to what the party is gonna be because my friend kind of last minute told me that they were planning on doing it outside, but I don't know if you know it, but it's kind of cold outside here. It's winter and there was even a snowstorm outside. Hello! So we're going to the party. My daughter's in the back. And it's very cold outside. Like -20.
Avec du vent.
Yeah, but it's gonna be fun.
Beaucoup de vent. Mais c'est pas grave, il y a un gros feu. Big fire.
It's gonna be fun. Oh, I see, yes. Look at her red cheeks. So we are sitting in front of the fire. So I'm drinking some caribou and I'm completely frozen. So cold. So me and this little girl decided to come inside of the house. We are the first to come in. Look, they did a treasure hunt and she's all dirty. Our takeout chicken, and my cat does not want to let me go because she's like, I want some chicken too. Good morning, world. We are Monday morning. I am chilling with my girls watching Pocahontas in the background. My daycare kids have arrived and I'm just now having my morning coffee and it's 9:30. I'm tired. So let's try to get through the day. Ah! What are you doing? Alright.
He wants me to be steady. Like the river.
Tonight's dinner features a French round of beef, and I'm going to slap that in the crock pot. Let it simmer all day. It's gonna be good. Ay, mi vida. So I totally just tried to record a tag video, and the only thing I accomplished by trying to do that with a full house of kids was to get annoyed. So let's just put that aside for now, take a deep breath, and make lunch. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making like a pois chiche salad. I'm gonna sit down with the kids and just try to enjoy the rest of the day and maybe try to record something a bit later. Kids are loving it. Is it good, baby? Hey guys, so I just put all of the kids to bed. I feel like I've been a huge grumpy pants all morning, and my goal for the rest of the day is to simply stop and smell the roses and try to enjoy the rest of the day with my kids. Just practicing some letters. What I like about this is that you have like the dotted version, then you have like the half dotted version, and then they have to try to do it themselves. Did you have a good day? Yeah. Beautiful eyes. I think someone's enjoying her supper. Is it good? No? Is it good? No. What do you mean no? Yes, yeah. She called the voicemail. You're funny. He's on dishes duty, and this one doesn't want to let him go. She's like a little koala bear. Yep, I definitely have a little koala bear on my hands this morning. Good morning.
Hi there.
This is Paola's outfit today. Look at me, baby. She has an oversized pink summer dress on top of a jean shirt. That is so her. Oh no! Dia fell asleep before nap time, so what are we gonna do? And I have to make lunch now, so. And she's snoring too. It's a no-go. She ain't napping. Damn it! I shouldn't have let her sleep.
Ready.
Yeah. All of my babysitter kids are gone. And I'm cooking up some tacos. Taco night tonight. And we just finished my son's homework. I don't know if it's gonna make me sound like a bad mom, but I hate homework. It's so annoying. I get so annoyed by it. Just chilling with the family. Follow that. Xavier's in his shower, and we're watching the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.